In a realm where technology and innovation collide, a brand stands apart, daring to be different. This is the tale of the Nothing Phone 3, an embodiment of not just performance, but a statement of intent, a device that dares to challenge the norm. Nothing, a brand that has always sparked our curiosity with its innovative, transparent design, revealing the intricate beauty behind technology. Now, as anticipation mounts, we look forward to their next flagship, the Nothing Phone 3. Expected to be unveiled in the warmth of summer, the Nothing Phone 3 is a beacon of innovation in the upper mid-range segment. Rumors suggest a price point that harmoniously balances high-end performance with affordability. The buzz around town is the presence of a powerhouse within the Phone 3, the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3. Paired with up to a whopping 12 gigabytes of RAM, this device is shaping up to be a sanctuary for gamers, creators, and tech enthusiasts alike. Yet it's more than just about the internals. The Phone 3 is rumored to elevate Nothing's signature transparent design, offering us a glimpse into the very soul of technology. The display is another area of high expectations. A rumored 6.7-inch canvas with a refresh rate of 120 Hz, setting the stage for an unrivaled viewing experience. While specifics remain elusive, we anticipate a versatile camera system that encapsulates every moment with impeccable clarity and vibrance, ensuring you're always ready to capture that perfect shot. Running on the latest Android 14, the Nothing Phone 3 promises a seamless and intuitive user experience, all while staying true to Nothing's ethos of simplicity and elegance. Output. Powering this technological marvel is a rumored 5000 mAh battery, ensuring that the Phone 3 keeps pace with the rhythm of your life, from the break of dawn to the fall of dusk. Yet, the tale of the Nothing Phone 3 is far from over. Shrouded in mystery with details still under wraps, we ponder the innovative features it will unveil and how it will further revolutionize the transparent design. So join us as we eagerly await the unveiling of the Nothing Phone 3, a device that dares to redefine our expectations and challenge the status quo. For the latest updates and in-depth analysis on the Nothing Phone 3 and much more, ensure to subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell. We appreciate your time and thank you for joining this journey of discovery with us.